wanted to hop on here really quick because I got a package in the mail and I wanted to share with you what I got because it's pretty neat and I think you'll be really interested in it. Okay, so the package is from FREADOM, and this company is selling different types of merchandise to raise money for literacy programs around America. So all of their net proceeds go towards these literacy programs, and I'm gonna share a link with you later on so that you can check it out too, but I wanna show you what they sent me. Okay. Let's see, so first, oh, they sent a postcard. I love handwritten notes from packages. Like, that's always great when you, especially when you shop small, they always include such a nice little note and it's just that extra special touch. I'm not sure if these are magnets or stickers. Oh, maybe stickers because there's a couple of them. And they say literacy for all and have their logo in the middle. And educators are essential. 100% agree with that. Oh, and similar to the stickers, they have long sleeve shirts. This one says educators are essential. Super soft. Ooh, that's really nice. And then there's another one with their logo on it. Again, super soft, long sleeve shirt, and then down the side it says FREADOM, but it's spelled with read inside. That's pretty neat. Large, it's heavy. It's a candle. I like this. Okay, so it says FREADOM across it. The title is Smells Like Freedom, and the notes are library book, and the label looks like the checkout card for a library book. How awesome is that? Okay. Ooh, it smells good too. And if you head over to their website, it's FREADOM, FREADOM USA.com. You can check out all the different things that they have for sale. They have everything from hats to, ooh, I really like this mug. That is awesome. You can get coffee, sweatshirts, lots of different things to see on here. So I highly recommend checking them out. There is a lot to choose from. So definitely check out FREADOM, Literacy for All. They are a great initiative, and again, you can get this awesome merchandise, and all the money that they make goes towards literacy programs around America. I will leave a link for them in the description box down below, but definitely check them out because they're awesome.